So we've been using the DJI Action 6 for a while now. And honestly, it's a really good camera. But then we started hearing people talk about an Action 6 Pro. And now we can't stop thinking about it. Should we have waited? Is there even a Pro coming? And if there is, will it actually be worth it? Today, we're breaking this down. Let's go. Before we talk about a Pro version, let's be real about what the Action 6 already does. This camera has a variable aperture lens. That means it can handle bright sunlight and low light without you changing anything. It just adapts. The sensor is a 1 by 1.1 inch. That's big for an action camera. More sensor size means cleaner footage, especially when you're shooting in tricky light. And recently, DJI pushed out a firmware update that unlocked 8K video for free on a camera you already own. So here's my honest question. What more do you actually need right now? Because that's the real starting point for this whole conversation. Okay, so despite all that, there's still a lot of talk about a Pro model. And it's not just random internet rumors. There's a creator called PhotoRabs who has a solid track record when it comes to DJI leaks. He's been right before, and he believes a Pro is in the pipeline. So what could this Pro actually bring? A few things keep coming up in the community. First, a full 1-inch sensor. Right now the Action 6 is close, but not quite there. A proper 1-inch sensor would mean even better detail in fast-moving or low-light shots. Second, smoother auto exposure. You know that moment when you walk from inside to outside and the camera freaks out trying to adjust? A better auto exposure system would fix that. Less manual work, more reliable shots. Third, lens accessory compatibility. Creators who already use macro lenses or add-on glass with the Action 6 want to know their gear will still work. That matters a lot if you've already spent money building out a setup. None of these are huge leaps, but for someone who shoots professionally, the small stuff adds up. Here's where things get complicated. DJI, it doesn't just release products randomly. They follow a pattern. Big flagship models usually show up toward the end of the year, Q4. That's when hype is highest and sales are best. For a Pro model to exist outside that window, it would need to land somewhere between April and June of 2026. That's the only realistic slot for a mid-cycle release, because that window is passing and nothing has dropped. Honestly, DJI might skip the Pro entirely and put all those improvements into the Action 7 instead. And that actually makes business sense. If you release a Pro version too soon after the base model, you're basically telling Action 6 buyers they made a mistake. DJI won't want to do that. So the question isn't just, is a Pro coming? It's, is there enough time left for it to happen before the story moves on? Here it is. The Action 6 already does most of what people want a Pro to do. Variable aperture? Got it. 8K video? Got it. Big sensor for an action cam? Got it. For a Pro version to feel necessary, DJI would need to bring something genuinely new, not just a small polish update. And right now, nobody's pointing to what that new thing would be. If the improvements are small, better autofocus, smoother exposure, slightly improved low light, then the Pro might feel like a paid upgrade that should have been a firmware update. DJI knows this, and that might be exactly why they'd save the big stuff for the Action 7, where they can present a real leap forward and justify the new purchase. So where does this leave you? If you already have the Action 6, you're fine. Keep shooting. You're not missing out on anything critical right now. If you're about to buy a camera, the Action 6 is still one of the best options out there. Don't let the Pro rumor paralyze you. And if a Pro does drop, it'll likely be a refinement, not a reinvention. That's not a bad thing. It's just not something worth putting your plans on hold for. Because nothing has come through by now, the conversation should shift to the Action 7. And that's a different video. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Are you waiting for the Pro, or are you already happy with what you've got? I'll see you in the next one.